Om Swastiastu! Hello! Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pomelo salad. And here I have pomelo fruit, which is grown in Bali, and we call it jeruk Bali. And I'm going to mix this with some prawns, lettuce, rucola, coriander leaf, mint leaf, and some cherry tomatoes. And for the dressing, I'm going to use garlic, big red chili, lime juice, sugar, salt, rice vinegar, fish sauce, and olive oil. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the prawn, which is I'm going to poach them into the boiling water for 1 minute. Now the water is ready. I'm going to add some salt and poach the prawn for 1 minute. Now the prawn is ready. We let them cool down before we peel it. Now it's cool enough to peel, and I'm going to peel them, and after that I'm going to make the dressing. Afterward, we put them aside, and now we're going to prepare the dressing. So we need 4 cloves of garlic. Chop them finely. I'm going to use 1 big red chili, or we call it tabe lombok. Remove the seed and slice it thinly. I'm going to add the juice from 2 limes. And now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of white sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 6 tablespoons of fish sauce, and mix together. And now we're going to prepare the salad. Here I have some pomelo that I have prepared earlier. And the first thing, I'm going to put some lettuce and rucola, add the pomelo, some cherry tomatoes, coriander leaf, some mint leaf, and I'm going to add prawn now. I'm going to add a 4 tablespoons of the dressing on the top. Here we are, pomelo salad. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.